This Karnagaran, the project, actually we are discussing about the project name is auto-tuned controller based on dual zone furnace. This project actually developed by Nidhi Prayas, through Nidhi Prayas. Last video we discussed about skeleton details, only inside what material is available, what is the function is going on. Last video that only I explained. Today actually we are finalized the product, so I will explain briefly in outer case and how to the final structure it will come, the cable input output, all those things I will explain briefly. As per the last time last video we discussed about this is the dual zone furnace. One is top side one furnace is the bottom side. This is the vertical type furnace, dual zone furnace. Centrally one viewport is there, and that is for two furnace individually possible to control. The individual control is top zone. If you want the top zone means that also possible to control. Bottom zone means that also possible to control. And here we had some more facilities and safety precautions. All those things we are here added, and we protected some more insulation also, because last video we discussed about little bit the insulation is drawback. Now we fix it fully covered insulations. Actually here this is the viewport. This is open and closed type viewport. Here we fixed permanent glass. This is for Teflon glass, 1000 degrees Celsius. It will the temperature range, and inside also one glass is there, that is for avoid the temperature coming outside. And here we used 4 screws for fix this glass. And one more thing, here if you want to change the glass or any want to clean that glass means, is it possible to remove whole set of this viewport. Here we have provided 4 screws. If we screw the nut, it will come throughout, and you just remove the 4 screws, you just slide the glass, it will come out. Same type inside glass also, if you slightly slide, it will come out. If you want any scratches and replace, if you want replacement and cleaning any cracks means, you usually to handle it. Now I open that viewport, how to remove, how to replace the glasses, and how to once again fix. Now I explain briefly. First, here 4 corners, 4 nut is there. You just remove it. It will come out like this. Here I make small cutout for properly fixing. See here, if you slide the glass, it will come out. I will fix once again. And the same way, if I remove, see, this glass will come out. So if I any scratches, dust, any scratches, any you want to replace means, you just take it out, you put new one, just slide it, fix it, you tight gently, not full tight. Now I full tight. Just I check the shaking, any vibration or there. I close it and back side also removable. You just remove it, fix it, and see, it is fixed perfectly in center position. This is the viewport, how to fabrication, how to design this one. And second one, this is for outer case. This is used for avoid the, this is for mainly safety purpose. If any furnace is high temperature, if you want to any handle means you just touch means it is just room temperature, ambient temperature only it will come. Here only some small amount of heat it will come, but this is for only safety precaution, and this handle for moving. If you want to any change the location means you just pull it like this. This is for only transport purpose I designed like this. And here inside, this is as per last video I discussed. This is AZTEC block. This is for ceramic tube. The ceramic tube dia, outer dia 90 mm, inner dia 80 mm. And same way, here I used 4 screws. This corner 4 screws it will come. Full load it will take. If you want to move the any transport means, it will combine this one. And back side. Now I explain how to power input and output we will take. See, as per last video we discussed about this one is top zone, this one is bottom zone. See, these two cables for top zone furnace coil. Mainly, this one is for non-conductible ceramic connector is available, and this one is thermocouple. The gauge thickness is 20 gauge. This is K-type thermocouple. This dual pole thermocouple. That aluminum tube it will come dual pole because it's not touchable item. So we are used like this. Same way, this one is ceramic tube, ceramic connector. This one some higher rating of ceramic connector. This one is lower rating of ceramic connector because the temperature it will come here and amps rating also here higher. Here not so much of amps rating. So we are used small size only. And one more thing, this one is bottom zone. This one is for bottom zone furnace coil input, and same way this one bottom zone thermocouple coil. And we close like this. We are designed structure for cable inside routing purpose. I given this input cables this way, and it will come like this, and I give to thermocouple coil furnace cables, thermocouples, top zone, all those things I wired like this way. And finally the blanking plate, backside cover plate, like this it will come. So Kaveri. Closed like this. It will protect outside dust. Anything shortage means it will just some safety and dust proof cases only. Actually, as per discussion, this is a dual purpose furnace zone. That specially that furnace coil is Kanthal. We have used Kanthal coil, that is grooved furnace coil. That outer diameter it will come 165 mm, inner diameter is 110 mm. Same furnace coil we used bottom zone also, not different types of furnace grooved type. These both are same type, same grooved furnace coil, same KPL Kanthal coil only. And one more thing, for a viewport section only we give 70 mm, 75 mm gap for viewport. This one is top zone, bottom zone. Here in center of the two zone, 75 mm insulation pad is there for viewing purpose. And one more thing, the thermocouple gauge, as per the thermocouple gauge also, it will take temperature readings outside. What we are setting the temperature, that indicate that measuring the thermocouple coil, that is easily to display the what is the inside of the near coil, not for this whole temperature that is not come to there. This is for the separate thermocouple, that coil, near coil it will come, that thermocouple coil is different. If suppose coil furnace coil near temperature 100 degree means the alumina tube, after alumina tube it will come 1000 degree only. Near Kanthal coil, the temperature rating is 1100 degree means after the alumina tube it will come 1000 degree. Some drop it will surely come around 100 degrees or 90 degrees, surely it will come. Here we already tested for all those things. Some losses it will come after the alumina tube. Same way top zone also, bottom zone also, and the some we already tested. We some chemicals we go to inside and melted some particular degrees and weaving this part through for weaving part, weaving this using this glass. All those things we have already tested. We almost finished the product, and this is for Ritter white. The outer coating is Ritter white. This one is for black color. This viewport is CED coating, black color, and we provide bottom side 30 mm high tension square tubes, and inside we used for mounting all the pads, furnace, all those things. We run the 10 mm SS rod inside. It will come bottom up to top rod. It will come for the avoid the movement of furnace, all those things. So finally I finished all those project, and as per what I thinking to develop that project, I almost finished, and I very thank to Adiman College Nidhi Prayas the funding allocations and the auto-tuned based on controller, that Nidhi Prayas, if you very thank to funding allocation for completed this project. Thank you very much.